How to delete multiple contacts at once on iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. In today's video, I will show you how you can delete multiple contacts at once on iPhone. iPhone is the best-selling phone brand. As a leader in this category, it still has some flaws that spoil the user experience. The Contacts application is a bit poorly organized and can cause problems when using contacts and managing them. However, did you know that you can delete multiple contacts at once? If not, stay until the end of the video and find out how. Open the Contacts application. Make sure you are in the Contact section. As you know, you can delete a contact by simply sliding to the left and selecting the Remove option. But to do it for more contacts, you need 3 fingers with which you will press the first one in the series that you want to delete. After that, drag down and select how many contacts you want. After that, keep your finger on these contacts until the management options appear. In the menu that appeared, select the last one in the Delete 3 Contacts series. And that is all. This way you can delete multiple contacts. Just make sure you can't delete multiple contacts that aren't one below the other. That's why the best option is to create a contact list and delete them that way. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.